Hi, everybody. I wanted to take a second to make sure that y'all could see how to download SPSS. So if you've happened upon this YouTube playlist and you're not a UW student, this will not work for you. I'm so sorry. Maybe your university has a different option. And this is also a little bit specific to students in my class. So you can see I'm on our Canvas page. Wow, I've also never used that little pen tool. I don't know if it stays forever. I guess I'm going to try and erase it. Cool, that's fun. So here you are on our Canvas page. And the very first module, right, here's all our modules, beautiful. The very first module is SPSS resources. And in here, I've been putting the resources around using it for analysis. This is a guide that I made last year that my students found helpful. So if you want to practice with like our practice data, you can use this guide or look at my screen captures from before. This is an external resource. I believe this is a set of YouTube videos on getting started with SPSS, so again, aimed at beginners. This is the tutoring guide that I've mentioned that is life-changing for me. So figuring out which statistical tests will work with the kind of data you have in very plain language, very straightforward. This is the YouTube introduction to SPSS. Here's my SPSS videos. And then this is our class practice data. So there's that. And to download it, do not pay any money to download SPSS. There's a couple ways you can access it for free as a UW student. So we click that, right? So there's two ways. First, through accessing the UW server remotely, which is kind of tricky. I think it's confusing. If you already know about using remote servers, that's cool. If you have a really huge data set, I'm talking like thousands and thousands, right? You might want to do that. You want to make sure you have a great internet connection though. But what I'm going to suggest y'all do is downloading it just onto your computer and using the student license. So the license is good for a year, I think through August each year or something. So when you graduate, it's not going to just immediately wipe off of your computer. But if you make sure that you keep that license updated, you might be able to use it a little bit after. So just click that. It's going to take you to the IT Connect website. And then on this page, there's all these things, blah, blah, blah. Click on Get Software. And it pulls you on this spot of the page. It just scrolled us down. It didn't go to a new page. So it says all these things. And then what you're going to do, right, it's free. I think that this link and this link actually go to the same page. So just click here. Yes, so this is not the most beautiful web page in the world, but it does get you this software for free. So if you have Windows or a Mac, you're going to click, here if you have a Windows, here if you have a Mac, just to do version 27. There's no need to do all these extra things. Just click on the version 27 one. That will download the download wizard thing to your computer, and then you open it up and you click OK and tell it like, yes, please download SPSS. Great. And then you twiddle your thumbs for a little bit and it'll download it. And then when it opens SPSS for the first time, it says, what's your password, please? What's your top secret code? And so that's what you need to click up here about in this box. So again, assuming you downloaded version 27 and you are a student, click on that student link. And then this number right here is what you will copy and paste when it asks for your authorization code. I hope this helps. I'm happy to go through this with y'all in class or one by one during office hours. But yeah, I hope that good. I hope that helps. So it will expire June 30th, it looks, but then you can update it on your end.